Hello viewers, welcome to LMNM classes. I am your Wali Sahib. In this video we are going to discuss about chemical reactions and enzymes. So here chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances are converted into one or more other different substances. If you are simply saying as the reactants or the substrate molecules are converted into products in a process which is referred to as here chemical reaction. Then the chemical compounds undergo two types of changes. They are physical changes and the chemical changes. Here what are the physical changes? Here the changes which occurs in the shape without breaking of bonds and also occurs in the state of matter, which is referred as here physical changes. So here without the breaking of bonds, the changes which occurs in the shape and the state of matter, which is referred to as here physical changes. So I will give a good example to easy understanding of a physical changes. That is here ice melts into the water and water becomes a vapor. So this is the physical process. In this physical process there is no presence of any breaking of bonds. So here without the breaking of bonds, the changes which occurs in the shape and the state of matter, that kind of the changes which are referred to as here the physical changes. So here ice melts into the water, then water becomes a vapor. This is a good example to easy understanding of a physical changes. So in this physical process there is no breaking of bonds. So here these are the physical changes. And then coming to chemical changes. If we observe the chemical reactions, there are breaking of bonds and making of bonds takes place in the chemical reactions during the transformation. So here during the transformation, the making of bonds and breaking of bonds both takes place in the chemical reactions. So here there are two different kinds of the chemical reactions. They are inorganic chemical reactions and organic chemical reactions. Inorganic chemical reactions and organic chemical reactions. These are the two different kinds of the chemical reactions or the chemical changes. So here I will give an example which is related to the inorganic chemical reaction. Here barium hydroxide BaOH twice plus H2SO4 gives rise to BaSO4 barium sulfate plus 2H2O. So it is an inorganic chemical reaction. In this reaction there is a breaking of bonds takes place in the both barium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. So here the barium hydroxide and sulfuric acid, in these two inorganic compounds the breaking of bonds takes place. So here then the making of bonds also takes place in the formed products which is newly synthesized or produced in the reaction. So here the barium sulfate, a new kind of product which is synthesized or produced in this reaction with new bonds. So here in this reaction the both breaking of bonds and the making of new bonds takes place in this inorganic chemical reaction. So here the barium hydroxide which is reacted with sulfuric acid and further converted into barium sulfate and produces two molecules of water. So in this reaction the both breaking of bonds and making of new bonds take place in this reaction. And then the organic chemical reaction. So here in the metabolic pathways like starch, the starch is a polysaccharide which is further converted into glucose. So here the glucose is a hexose sugar. So here the glucose molecules are produced from the starch. by the hydrolysis. So here the starch is hydrolyzed into the glucose molecules. In this reaction, the making of bonds and the breaking of bonds both are takes place in this metabolic pathways. And then one more example which is related to the chemical reaction, that is here the glucose again oxidized into the two molecules of pyruvic acid. Two molecules of pyruvic acid. So this is also one of the chemical reaction, that is organic chemical reaction. So here the starch and glucose both are also the organic compounds. Here starch is a polysaccharide which is hydrolyzed into the glucose molecule by the different kinds of the enzymes. And then the glucose is also a hexose sugar, an organic compound which is further oxidized into the two molecules of pyruvic acid. So in this both metabolic reactions, here breaking of bonds and the making of bonds takes place in this organic chemical reactions. Organic chemical reaction. This is about the physical changes and the chemical changes. And then coming to rate or velocity of reaction. Rate or velocity of reaction. So here, what is the rate or what is the velocity of the reaction? So here, the amount of or the number of substrate molecules are converted into number of products per unit time. The number of substrate molecules are converted into the number of products per unit time in the both physical and the chemical reactions, which is referred to as here the rate of physical or chemical reaction. So here the rate or velocity of reaction simply defined as the number of substrate molecules are converted into number of products per unit time. Per unit time is referred to as here rate or velocity of reaction. So here the rate or velocity of reaction which is represented by here D. So here the rate or velocity of reaction which is represented by here capital D, small d equal to delta P by delta T. So here rate D equal to delta P by delta T is the rate or velocity of the chemical reaction. So here the rate which is rate of the reaction which is also known as here velocity if when the direction is specified. If when the direction is specified. So here the rate which is also known as here velocity. So here the both rate or velocity influenced by temperature. Influenced by temperature and some other factors. So here the rate of the reaction or velocity of the reaction which is influenced by the temperature and some other factors. For example, here the rate of reaction which is doubled when if every 10 degree centigrade temperature increases, the rate of the reaction doubled. If every 10 degree centigrade temperature decreases, the rate of the reaction half. So here the rate of the reaction is doubled when the every 10 degree centigrade temperature is increased. If the reaction rate is the rate of the reaction is half when the every 10 degree centigrade temperature decreases. So here if every 10 degree centigrade temperature changes are altered, the rate of the reaction is doubled or half. That is referred to as here temperature coefficient. which is also simply represent as here Q10. Q10. So here the rate or velocity of the reaction which is influenced by the temperature and some other factors. So here if every 10 degree centigrade temperature altered, here the rate of the reaction is doubled or half. So here when the rate of the reaction is doubled, if every 10 degree centigrade temperature is increases, here the rate of the reaction is doubled. If every 10 degree centigrade temperature decreases, the rate of the reaction is half. That is referred as here the temperature coefficient or Q10. Temperature coefficient or Q10. So here this is the rate or velocity of the reaction. So here the rate or velocity of the reaction is different or vary in the both catalyzed and uncatalyzed reactions. Catalyzed and uncatalyzed reactions. So here catalyzed reactions and uncatalyzed reactions. So here the catalyzed reactions, the reactions which are mediated by the enzymes, these are referred to as here catalyzed reactions. In the catalyzed reactions, the rate of the reaction is very high. So here the rate of the reaction is very high in the catalyzed reactions because of the reactions which are catalyzed are mediated by the enzymes. But the reactions which are not catalyzed by the enzymes, these are referred to as here uncatalyzed reactions. In the uncatalyzed reactions, the rate or velocity is very low or decrease. Very low or decrease. So here the uncatalyzed reactions are not mediated by enzymes. So here there are two different kinds of the chemical reactions. They are catalyzed reactions and uncatalyzed reactions. So here the reactions which are mediated by the enzymes are referred to as here catalyzed reactions. The reactions which are not mediated by the enzymes which are referred to as here uncatalyzed reactions. So here the rate or velocity is different in both uncatalyzed reactions and catalyzed reactions. So here the rate or velocity is very high in the catalyzed reactions. But the rate or velocity of reaction is very low or decreased in the uncatalyzed reaction because of there is no presence of or involvement of enzymes in these chemical reactions. For example, here 6 lakh products are produced per every second when the reactions are catalyzed by the enzymes. Here for example, the CO2 and H2O molecules are converted into H2CO3 molecule. So here there are 6 lakh products or H2CO3 molecules are produced per second in the catalyzed reactions. So here the rate or velocity of a reaction is very high in the catalyzed reactions. But in the uncatalyzed reactions, there are only 200 products are produced per hour. So here per hour only 200 products are produced in the uncatalyzed reactions. So here the rate or velocity of reaction is very low or decreased in the uncatalyzed reactions. But in the catalyzed reactions, there are 6 lakh products are produced per every second when the enzyme is mediated to the catalyzed reactions. So here the power of enzyme is incredible indeed. Incredible and indeed. So here the power of enzyme is here incredible and indeed. The power of enzymes is here incredible and incredible indeed. So here the reactions which are mediated by the enzymes, they can exhibit high rate or velocity. So that kind of the reactions are referred to as here catalyzed reactions. But the reactions which are not mediated by the enzymes and can exhibit the low rate of reaction or velocity, these reactions are referred to as here uncatalyzed reactions. Uncatalyzed reactions. So here this is about the rate or velocity of a reaction. And then there are thousands of enzymes. There are thousands of enzymes which are occurs in the living system. Each enzyme is specific or unique to the chemical reaction or metabolic reaction. Each enzyme is unique to the chemical reaction or metabolic reaction. So here the multi-step process or the metabolic reaction which is catalyzed by say same enzyme complex or the different enzymes, which is referred to as here metabolic pathway. Metabolic pathway. So here metabolic pathway is a multi-step process. So here in the metabolic pathway there are number of chemical reactions are occurs which catalyzed by the enzymes. The enzyme is same complex or the different. So here that kind of the multi-step process is referred to as here metabolic pathway. For example here in the glycolysis process, in the glycolysis pathway, the glucose molecules are break down into two molecules of pyruvic acid. So here the glycolysis is a 10-step process. These all the 10 steps are catalyzed by the 10 different kinds of the enzymes. So there are 10 different kinds of the enzymes are involved in the glycolysis pathway to the conversion of glucose into the two molecules of pyruvic acid. So if you observe the chemical the glucose formula is the C6H12 O6 plus oxygen and gives rise to the 2C3H4O3 plus 2H2O. This is the equation of glycolysis. So in the glycolysis pathway, the glucose molecule is converted into two molecules of pyruvic acid. This is the 10-step process. All the 10 steps are catalyzed by 10 different kinds of the enzymes. But in the anaerobic respiration of skeletal muscle, here the glucose molecule is produced. The glucose molecule is break down into lactic acid. Glucose molecule is produced into lactic acid. So here during the anaerobic respiration of skeletal muscle, here the lactic acid is produced by the glucose breakdown. So here in the anaerobic respiration of the skeletal muscle, the glucose is converted into lactic acid. But in the yeast cells, the glucose molecule is converted into alcohol or ethanol. So here alcohol or ethanol is a end product of the anaerobic respiration process which is occurs in the yeast cells. So here the glucose molecule is converted into alcohol or ethanol in the yeast cells. But in the normal aerobic condition, the glucose molecule is converted into two molecules of pyruvic acid. So here hence during the different conditions, there are different kinds of the products are produced from the substrate molecule. So here there are different products are produced from the substrate molecule during the different conditions. So in the different conditions, there are different kinds of the products are produced from the substrate molecule. So here this is about the total chemical reactions and enzymes.